what's up? For today's video, I am taking you on a snowboarding adventure. John surprised me with a trip to Vermont while we were visiting for Christmas, and let me just tell you, I had the time of my life. Huge shout out to Mount Snow for hooking it up and taking care of us the whole time we were there. That just made everything a million times more awesome, and we had the time of our lives. So here's a vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it makes you laugh. If you want to see more vlogs from me, make sure you let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's roll right to it! And out by the jacuzzi, they have an outdoor jacuzzi, and it's so freaking cool. It's right outside my window. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna go join them right now. Look who I found.
What's up, guys?
So cool. This is awesome. I was walking out here, and like over there, they had a spa that goes like it's inside.
I don't know what you call that, but it's like an intermediate like place where you go in, and then you don't have to go outside. You can just go in the pool inside. So nuts. And
the mountain is like right there too. I need to get in. Oh my gosh, everything is so steamy. With Johnny on the other side of the pool. This look is so cool.
Yo, Dominic, we're doing it. Look at our tubes. We're going for it.
Go!
All right, hey, you cheated. You cheated. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ah! Oh my God. Ah! Oh. How was that? That is wet. Going on the tumbleweed ski lift. Are you ready, Power Ranger?
Yes.
So ready. Look at her. So cool. So cool. Brand new jacket.
We made it. Let's do it. Oh my God, it's so cold.
It looks so nice up here.
It is.
Guys, come join us. She's doing so good!
It's been a while since I've snowboarded, and John's being very patient, and he's helping me. I'm a little chicken. Last time I went snowboarding, I fractured my elbow, so I'm a little scared. But I got this super cool jacket. Looks like Hyperforce. John's putting snow.
So cool!
I like this too. This thing's nice. I didn't get new goggles, but I should have, because these ones are fogging up.
I got other pair of goggles. They look better.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Extra goggles.
Oh yeah, that's some fresh powder.
So good!
That's it. Go for round two.
Whoa! Round two, let's do it. How you feeling?
Okay.
Round two?
That first time I was really scared.
Yeah?
My knees and my butt hurt a little bit from falling, but I feel pretty good about this next time.
It's a bright, shiny day on Mount Snow. I'm your host, Terry.
And I'm your other host, Larry.
We're about to see our first run of the day. Rookie Megan
Cumanera.
Thank you.
Honestly, I'm not sure how to pronounce her last name.
I mean, who cares? There's been lots of talk of this rookie. Let's see if she lives up to the hype. 2 seconds in, no she doesn't.
That's embarrassing.
Oh, wow.
Wow, a baby could crawl quicker than she's snowboarding.
I actually think I saw a baby crawl faster than her just now. Whoa, there it goes again.
Was that it? Really?
That's it? Why is she sitting down?
That's not how you snowboard.
Okay, so we just finished up skiing and we're hungry and we don't have a reservation, but luckily there's seats at the bar and we're gonna go get our fill, order a bunch of different stuff, and basically get stuff. We're checking out Harriman's, which is in the ground level of the hotel, which is very, very convenient. It says farm to the table. I really hope that a chicken just runs onto the table. That's a little dance.
I don't know if that's how it works.
They said it's...
Really?
Oh.
It comes from here. Good job, Dom.
I don't see any chickens in that one either. Where's all the chickens? Pretty good. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. John, thank you so much for that surprise. It's hard to kiss me with my headphones.
so big.
It's so big. That was such an amazing trip. Thank you so much. Where should we go next, guys? What should we do next? Well, maybe we should go like somewhere like far, like McDonald's. Maybe we should go to Walmart. I don't know.
Walmart?
I don't know, I just felt like people were trying to think I was gonna say a big trip, but I was just saying, like, we can have an adventure anywhere. But anyway,
You silly.
I'm silly. Thank you for that surprise. That was awesome.
You're welcome.
Some more trips and more vlogs in the future. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around. In a couple of days, posting another video on this channel that's a little Valentine's Day themed. So, I don't know what that was. I'll see you guys later.